minding my own business, watching YouTube movies, and usually the YouTube movies I like are DIY movies. And I'm watching it, and here's this guy digging around in this neighbor's garbage can, and he pulls out a microwave oven, takes it back to his house, tears it apart, and turns it into a spot welder. So watching this, and I like doing DIY stuff, I got on Craigslist and found myself several different microwave ovens, built myself a spot welder and a mobile spot welder. And what I'll do is I'll take you out to my shop and I'll show you the spot welder in action. And not only did I make a spot welder, there's fans inside microwave ovens that I made myself a furnace so I could melt aluminum, and all the scrap aluminum I have, I turn it into ingots like this one. So anyway, let's go out into my shop and I'll show you the spot welder at work. What I'll do with these two pieces here, what this is just banding material. If you ever go to somewhere like Home Depot or whatnot, and they have units of plywood there, they typically have them wrapped in banding. That's all this material is. And the way this spot welder works, you just step on the foot pedal and bring these two probes together, and that's what does the welding. Here, I'll do a demonstration for you. I had to push down on it, it wasn't getting good contact, but that's one spot. Two spots. Three spots. This doesn't come apart. This is welded together now. Anyway, that's what was made out of a microwave oven, thanks to Grant, the guy that I learned how to do this from. These are some of the old projects that I've done. It actually shows me making one of these faces on another YouTube video that I have, and I believe it's called Pencil Holder. But anyway, those are some of the things you can do with a spot welder. As you can see, this spot welder is a little different. I'm only running one transformer on it, so it's not going to have quite as much power as that foot-controlled one. But what I'll do is I'll take these two pieces of banding, and being that it's kind of awkward using this, it's almost like you have to have three hands. I'll just clamp it together with this clamp. It's like an extra set of hands. And on this one, it has a thumb control on it, so when you're ready to go, you push the thumb switch, and then you can start your welding. With these long leads, works really good if you're working inside of a car body or something like that. So let's see what we get here. Okay, let's see what that does for us. That's welded. So as you can see, these old microwave ovens really come in handy sometimes. And if you want to see some of the other projects, on the lower left side of this picture, you'll see a blue dot with an M on it. If you click on that, you can go to my site and see the pencil holder